Hi students, a very good morning to all of you. Now today we are going to discuss a new chapter of physics, that is magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, first to know what is magnetic field. First to know what is magnetic field. Okay, let's see here what is magnetic field. Okay, magnetic field. Simply we say that suppose this is a magnet. This is a magnet. Then there is a field. There is a field about around this magnet. Okay. So we can say that the space around a magnet, the space around any magnet in which any other magnetic substance or magnet experiences a force of interaction, then it is known as magnetic field. It is known as magnetic field. Clear? Okay. Right on it. The space around any magnet in which any other magnet or magnetic substance or magnetic substance substances experiences experiences okay experiences a force of interaction, then that space is then that space is called, or that field is called magnetic field. Magnetic field. Clear? Understood? This is the magnetic field. Clear? Note it, everyone. Okay. Now we discuss next topic. Okay. Now the next topic is Orsted experiment. Orsted experiment. Okay. What Oersted said that when electric current is passed through any conductor, then that conductor behaves like a magnet. Okay, means Oersted can discover or can do the experiment which can help to know that the magnetic effect of electric current. Means the Oersted can discover the effect of magnet with the help of electric current. Clear? So we can say that by the help of electric current we can generate a magnetic field. This discovery is done by Oersted. Clear? Oersted said that when electric current is flows through any conductor, then that conductor behaves like a magnet. Clear? Okay, let's see here what is the experiment. Or if you draw this diagram with the help of scale. Okay, this is the diagram of Foster experiment. Okay, in which what in which there is a circuit. In that circuit there is a battery, key and wire. Okay, but there is also what, that is a magnetic compass. the position of that magnetic compass is like this, okay, on the wire, okay, on the straight wire. But when the current is passed, then that magnetic compass needle can deviate through this side. Suppose if we make a direction like this, then what? This is east, west, north and south. Clear? Means this portion is west. Clear? And this portion is east. What we see here? Means Oersted said that when electric current is passed through that circuit, then this current circuit behaves like a magnetic field. Okay? Means around the circuit the magnetic field is produced, and that magnetic field is detected by the help of magnetic compass. Clear? But this magnetic compass is deflected in two directions. Means when the direction of current can reverse, but then when the direction of current is reversed, the deflection of magnetic compass is also reversed. Clear? When current flows from, see here, this is a positive terminal, and we know that the current always will flow from positive to negative. When this positive terminal, from this positive terminal, electric current I is flow through this, means when current is entering from the south portion of the magnetic compass, then listen carefully, when the current is entering through the south portion of the magnetic compass, then north pole of the magnetic compass is deflected towards what? Towards west. Towards west. Clear? And see here, when the here we can change what? The battery connection. Okay. Here the current flows from this side, and current is entering from the north pole of the magnetic compass. Clear? When the north pole, when the current is entering from the north pole of magnetic compass, then magnetic compass can deflect it towards east direction. Clear? This is the concept. Clear all of you? Okay, noted. And all of you make this diagram with the help of scale. Clear? Okay, now you write it. First, in our statement you write. He said that when electric current is passed through any conductor, then around the conductor magnetic field is produced. Clear? Okay? And the direction you know that. Clear? Okay, noted. Okay, now let's discuss next topic. Okay, now next topic is magnetic field, magnetic field line. Okay, magnetic field line, or simply we say that magnetic line, magnetic line. Clear? Magnetic field line or magnetic lines. Clear? We know that this is an imaginary line. This magnetic field line or magnetic line, both are same. This is the imaginary line. Means we can only imagine it and not see it. Okay, we cannot see it. Clear? But we can feel it when the two magnets are come closer to each other. Then we can feel it when the poles are same, but we can't see it. Clear? So we can say that this is an imaginary line. Clear? And it produces from the north pole of a magnet and it goes through the south pole of magnet from the outside of the magnet. Clear? So we can write here, this is it is a imaginary line, imaginary line which produces from, which produces from north pole of magnet and goes through, goes through south pole of magnet. Clear? It goes from it goes through south pole of magnet. Clear? Suppose magnet. Suppose this is a magnet. This is north pole and this is south pole. Then the line goes from like this. It entering from producing from north pole and goes through south pole. Clear? Same here. Clear? Okay, this is the field lines. This is the field lines or magnetic line. This is a magnetic line. Clear? We know that we can also write star, make star means same pole repel each other and unlike pole attract each other. Clear? Okay, note it. Okay, class. Now, in next class, we will discuss the properties of magnetic field lines. Clear? So, all of you revise and make a note in your write down these topics in your notebook. Clear? Okay. Thank you, everyone.